This is Naraj from Department of Mathematics. In this video, we discuss about the topic recurrence relation, that is how to solve the recurrence relation by using generative function. So the given problem is solve the recurrence relation an plus 1 minus 2 an minus 1 equal to 4 power n, where initial condition a not equal to 1 and n is greater than or equal to 0 by use generative function. So given equation is an plus 1 minus 2an minus 1 equal to 4 power n, and initial condition a not equal to 1 and n is greater than or equal to 0. So we can solve this equation by using generative function. Okay. So first we can rewrite the equation, that is equal to 0. That is an plus 1 minus 2an minus 4 power n equal to 0. So next multiply by x power n and adding n equal to n is 0 to infinity. So this is based on the given condition n is greater than or equal to 0. So in this problem n is greater than or equal to 0, we can add 0 to infinity. Some other problem n is greater than or equal to 1 are given, you can add 1 to infinity. So okay, the equation can be rewritten as summation n equal to 0 to infinity an plus 1 into x power n minus summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2an into x power n minus summation n equal to 0 to infinity 4 power n into x power n is equal to 0. So next we can verify the basic and powers are equal. So first term is base term is, that is base term is an plus 1, power is n. So we can multiply by x and divide by x. That is 1 by x into summation n equal to 0 to infinity an plus 1 x power n into x minus taking constant term outside 2 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity an into x power n minus summation n equal to 0 to infinity 4 power n into x power n is equal to 0. So this equation is nothing but 1 by x into summation n equal to 0 to infinity an plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus 2 into n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n minus summation n equal to 0 to infinity 4 power n into x power n is equal to 0. So next we can apply the value of n. So first n equal to 0, we can get 1 by x into a1 x plus a2 x squared up to infinity. This is expansion of first term, and second term is a0 plus a1 x plus a2 x squared up to infinity, and last one is minus first one is 1 plus 4x plus 4x squared up to infinity equal to 0. So this already we know that the generative function definition is g of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2 x squared up to infinity. Therefore this equation can be written as 1 by x into g of x minus a0 minus 2 into g of x minus, this is nothing but the expansion of 1 minus 4 power x whole power minus 1 is equal to 0. So already the initial condition a0 is given, a0 value is 1, therefore 1 by x into g of x minus 1 by x minus 2 into g of x. This is go to other side, it is 1 minus 4x power minus 1. So take g of x outside, g of x into 1 by x minus 2. This is nothing but 1 by 1 minus 4x plus 1 by x. Take LCM, g of x into 1 minus 2x by x is equal to x into 1 minus 4x x plus 1 minus 4x. So taking x, cancel the x term, the remaining term is g of x 1 minus 3x divided by 1 minus 4x into 1 minus 2x. So next we can simplify this equation by using partial fraction method. That is 1 minus 3x divided by 1 minus 4x into 1 minus 2x. By using partial fraction, a by 1 minus 4x plus b by 1 minus 2x. We can using the partial fraction, a equal to 1 by 2 and b equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, g of x equal to 1 by 2 by 1 minus 4x plus 1 by 2 by 1 minus 2x. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 minus 4x power minus 1 plus 1 by 2 1 minus 2x power minus 1. So expands this term, we get 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4x plus 4x squared up to infinity plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2x plus 2x squared up to infinity. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity 4 power n x power n plus 1 by 2 into summation n equal to 0 to infinity 2 power n x power n. So already we know that g of x is summation n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n. Therefore a n equal to 1 by 2, that is a n is a coefficient of x power n. A n equal to 1 by 2 into 4 power n plus 1 by 2 into 2 power n. This is nothing but 2 into 4 power n minus 1 plus 2 power n minus 1. So this is the required solution for the given equation a n plus 1 minus 2 a n minus 1 equal to 4 power n. Thank you.